Hello! In this video I will show you how to properly adjust your belts on your electric belt drive motor. If your skateboard has built-in or direct drive motors, there is usually no belt to adjust. So why is belt tension important? A belt that's too tight can cause strain on the motor axle as well as the belt itself. And a too loose belt can cause issues when accelerating or braking, as well as excessive wear on the belt teeth. Proper belt tension basically means that the board will run smoother, quieter, and that the belts will last longer. Checking the tension on the belts is easy, and everything you need to adjust them is a skate tool. But knowing the correct tension can be a bit finicky. As a rule of thumb, the belt should feel elastic but still firmly in place. They are too loose if the motor can skid on the belt, which usually results in a whirring sound when braking, as well as less acceleration and braking power. On most belt drive boards, you adjust the tension of the belt by changing the position of the motor assembly. It is usually attached by some screws under the belt cover. Simply undo the screws. You don't need to remove them completely, and then slide the motor to adjust the tension. Give the wheel a firm tuck in both directions with the motor locked in place to check if the gear slips on the belt. After any adjustment, always test the board thoroughly and listen for any odd sounds as a result of the belt slipping before you ride. Adjusting the tension is something you should do frequently, or at least when the board is new and when you swap your wheels. A good practice is to check the tension before each ride, as it only takes seconds. If you found this short guide on belt tension useful, please give the video a like. And if you have any questions or feedback, please comment below. Thanks for watching.